friends, welcome to my channel. Before going to the video, those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more latest and interesting videos. So for now, I am saying about a hair mask oil. Now take a small amount of Vaseline into a bowl. The hair on your head only grows around 6 inches a year. Those who don't want to wait usually search for a hair growth elixir. Vaseline crops up quite a lot. Now take small amount of aloe vera gel. Vaseline gives a lot of nourishment both for the hair on your head and your lashes and eyebrows. The theory behind this is simple. Now take almond oil. Almond oil gives the hair lot of nourishment and acts as a good moisturizer to your hair. By using almond oil, we can get black and thick hair. Vaseline makes your hair grow faster. It might protect your hair against breakage and dryness. Almond oil can be treated for scalp treatment. We can get soften and strengthen your hair. So almond oil helps to keep hair and nails healthy and strong. Now you just mix it well thoroughly so that it came into a fine paste like structure. Take this paste into your hands and apply this paste on your hair. Massage on your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes and leave your scalp after applying this for 15 minutes. Now rinse off with water thoroughly. Thank you friends. Hope you all guys enjoy this video. Please do like and share our videos.